Yo, what is up, everybody? It's your man Santa Claus here, back with another video. Today we're talking about something that's near and dear to my heart, even if I do have magical reindeer to fly me around the world travel. More specifically, the gadgets that make travel smoother, safer, and more fun. Look, I've been around the block a few times, delivering presents to every corner of the globe. I've learned a thing or two about packing light, staying connected, and making the most of every trip. So whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a round-the-world adventure, I've got you covered. We're diving deep into the coolest, most useful travel gadgets out there. Stick around, because this is going to be good. All right, first up, let's talk cameras. Cameras have come a long way, and today we're diving into the world of compact cameras. These little devices are often overlooked, but they pack a serious punch. Now, I know what you're thinking. Santa, you're telling me to lug around a camera when my phone has a perfectly good camera built in? It's a valid point. Smartphones are incredibly convenient and always within reach. And yeah, smartphone cameras are pretty great these days. They offer impressive image quality and a range of features that make capturing moments a breeze. But there's more to the story. But trust me on this one, a dedicated compact camera is a game changer. It's not just about taking photos, it's about elevating your photography experience to a whole new level. We're talking about image quality that'll blow your socks off. The sensors in these cameras are designed to capture more detail, more color, and more depth than your average smartphone. These little guys pack a punch with 4K video, incredible low-light performance, and lenses that capture those sweeping landscapes and epic moments exactly the way you remember them. Imagine capturing a sunset with all its vibrant hues, or a night scene with minimal noise. Plus, a lot of them are waterproof, shockproof, and basically everything-proof. This means you can take them on all your adventures without worrying about damaging them. So whether you're diving into the ocean, hiking through the rainforest, or just navigating the mean streets of a new city, your camera can handle it. The durability of these cameras makes them perfect for any environment. And the best part? They're small. Like seriously small. You won't even notice the extra weight in your bag or pocket. You can slip one into your pocket and forget it's even there until you need it. This convenience means you're always ready to capture that perfect shot, no matter where you are. No more bulky DSLRs weighing you down. Compact cameras offer a lightweight alternative without compromising on quality. Look, I love capturing memories as much as the next guy. And with a compact camera, you can do it effortlessly. Whether it's a candid moment with friends or a breathtaking landscape, you're covered. And with a compact camera, you can capture those memories in stunning detail without sacrificing portability. So next time you're planning an adventure, consider bringing along a compact camera. You won't regret it. Next up, we're talking tunes. Music is the soundtrack to our lives, and that doesn't stop just because we're on the road. A good Bluetooth speaker is an absolute travel essential, and I'm not talking about those tinny little speakers that sound like they're trapped in a tin can. I'm talking about speakers that deliver rich, powerful sound that can fill a room or a beach or a mountaintop. Waterproofing is key here, people, because let's be real, spills happen. Whether you're caught in a sudden downpour or partying by the pool, you need a speaker that can handle a little splash of water. And battery life? Crucial. You don't want your speaker dying on you in the middle of your epic dance party under the stars. Look for a speaker that can keep the music going all day and all night long. Trust me, a good Bluetooth speaker can transform your travel experience. It can turn a boring layover into an impromptu dance party, or a quiet evening in your hotel room into a concert for one. Chapter 3, GPS Trackers. Never lose your luggage or your mind. In this chapter, we're diving into the world of GPS trackers and how they can be your ultimate travel companion. Imagine never having to worry about losing your luggage again. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's possible with these tiny yet powerful devices. Okay, let's get real for a second. We've all been there, standing at the luggage carousel, watching everyone else grab their bags while yours is nowhere to be seen. It's a sinking feeling, a mix of frustration and helplessness. Losing your luggage is the worst. It's not just about the inconvenience. It's about the stress and the disruption to your plans. You might have important items in there, things you need for your trip, and suddenly they're gone. It's happened to the best of us, and it's enough to make you want to swear off travel forever. But what if I told you there's a way to avoid this nightmare scenario? But fear not, my friends, because GPS trackers are here to save the day. These little gadgets are a game changer. They can be easily attached to your luggage, and they work like magic. These little devices are small enough to slip into your suitcase, backpack, or even your pocket. They're discreet and won't take up much space, but their impact is huge. And they use the power of GPS to track your belongings wherever they go. Imagine being able to see the exact location of your luggage in real time, no matter where you are in the world. So even if the airline loses your luggage, you'll know exactly where it is. No more guessing games or endless waiting. You can take control of the situation and get your belongings back quickly. But GPS trackers aren't just for luggage. Their versatility is one of their best features. You can use them for so many different things. You can use them to track your keys, which always seem to disappear at the worst possible moments. Your wallet, which holds all your important cards and cash, and even your phone, which is practically an extension of yourself these days. Even your kids. Just kidding, kind of. But seriously, you can attach these trackers to anything you want to keep an eye on. They give you peace of mind, knowing that you can always find your valuables, no matter what. It's like having a safety net for your most important items. And the apps that come with these trackers are super user-friendly. You don't need to be a tech genius to use them. They're designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate. You can see the location of your tracker on a map in real time, which is incredibly reassuring. It's like having a personal detective for your belongings, and even set up alerts so you'll be notified if it moves outside of a certain area. This feature is perfect for added security and peace of mind. Look, I've got enough to worry about delivering presents to millions of children in one night. The last thing I need is to be stressing about lost luggage. And if Santa can use GPS trackers, so can you. The last thing I need is to be stressing about lost luggage. GPS trackers take that worry away, allowing you to focus on enjoying your trip. GPS trackers are a small price to pay for peace of mind. They offer a simple, effective solution to a common problem, making your travel smoother and more enjoyable. Chapter 4. Portable Water Purifiers. Drink up, adventurers. Alright, let's talk hydration. Staying hydrated is crucial, especially when you're traveling. But who wants to lug around heavy bottles of water or rely on questionable tap water? Not this guy. That's where portable water purifiers come in. These bad boys are like having a personal water filtration system in your pocket. They use advanced filtration technology to remove bacteria, viruses, and other nasty stuff from water, making it safe to drink. Whether you're filling up from a stream in the back country or a sketchy tap in a hostel bathroom, a portable water purifier has got you covered. No more worries about getting sick from dodgy water. And the best part? They're super easy to use. Just fill up the container, pump the filter, and boom. You've got clean, safe drinking water. It's that simple. Look, I'm all about spreading holiday cheer, not waterborne illnesses. A portable water purifier is a must-have for any traveler who wants to stay healthy and hydrated on the go. Chapter 5. Travel Organizer Bags. Pack like a pro, even if you're not. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or someone who only takes a trip once in a blue moon, packing can be a daunting task. Okay, let's be real. Nobody likes packing. It's often a chaotic and stressful experience filled with frustration and last-minute panic. It's the worst part of traveling. The struggle to fit everything you need into a limited space can be overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be a complete nightmare. Imagine opening your suitcase to find everything neatly organized and easily accessible. With the right travel organizer bags, you can pack like a pro, even if you're the kind of person who throws everything into their suitcase at the last minute. These bags are designed to make your life easier. These bags come in all shapes and sizes, and they're designed to keep your belongings organized and easy to find. From small pouches for your toiletries to larger bags for your clothes, there's a solution for everything. No more digging through your entire suitcase for that one sock. Everything has its place, and you can find what you need in seconds. You've got bags for your clothes, your shoes, your toiletries, your electronics, you name it. Each item can be neatly packed away, making your suitcase a model of efficiency. And they all zip up neatly so you can pack and unpack in a flash. No more wrestling with zippers or struggling to fit everything back in. Plus, they help you maximize space in your suitcase. By compressing your clothes and other items, you can fit more into your luggage than you ever thought possible. No more sitting on your suitcase to try to get it to close. With travel organizer bags, everything fits perfectly, and closing your suitcase is a breeze. With travel organizer bags, you'll be amazed at how much you can fit in your luggage. It's like a game of Tetris, but with your clothes and essentials. Look, I've got a lot of experience packing for long journeys. Over the years, I've learned that being organized is the key to stress-free travel. And trust me, travel organizer bags are a game changer. They transform the way you pack and travel, making the whole process smoother and more enjoyable. They'll save you time, stress, and maybe even a few tears. So next time you pack for a trip, give travel organizer bags a try. You won't regret it. So there you have it, folks. My top picks for the best travel gadgets out there. From capturing stunning memories to staying hydrated and organized, these gadgets will help you make the most of your next adventure. Remember, travel is about exploring new places, experiencing new things, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. And with the right gear, you can focus on what really matters, enjoying the journey. Now go forth and explore, my friends. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and check out the links in the description for more awesome travel tips and gear recommendations. Safe travels!